A battle for pizza supremacy ensued as the United States pizza team held the Northeast Pizza Cup in Valley City, Ohio. 19 talented pizzaiolos gathered at Samosky's Homestyle Pizza to compete for a grand prize trip to Italy to compete with the U.S. pizza team at the World Pizza Championship next year. The contest featured a traditional pizza category in which the limits of conventional pizzas were tested and excellence reigned supreme.
Just make my pizza and hope the judges like it.
It's been great. Got a lot of crazy representations of traditional, which is kind of what, when you get a bunch of great chefs together that respect their craft and elevate it to a new level. For me, this is a learning visit.
They're awesome pizzas. Everybody did good. The scores were so close, so it was a good competition.
When the judging completed, the winner was a pizza featuring mozzarella, toma cheese, chanterelle, king oyster, tree oyster, shiitake, cremini, enoki, and burgundy truffle mushrooms.
The champion out of 19 competitors, Mr. Lars Smith of State of Mind Public House and Pizzeria. I know, I got it. So is this your first U.S. Pizza Team competition win?
Yeah, well, it's the first time it's the first win. I came in second in San Diego at Tori's place a couple months ago, and I'm not very competitive. That's really, I really love cooking with all the people that are in the U.S. Pizza Team, learning from them, getting ideas, getting real feedback from fellow pizza makers. Not just this is the best thing I've ever ate, but hey, have you thought about this? How does this work? How do you do this? And really helps me be a better pizza maker at home and push my business, grow our business. So that's really more important for me. Winning's fun. I'm not mad about winning.
Coming in second by a margin of only 1/10 of a point was Dave Summers of Mad Mushroom in West Lafayette, Indiana, with a pizza featuring house-made sausage, sautéed mushrooms, and flavor-infused dough.
Today, the people that were here were amazing. To finish anywhere near the top, let alone second, is such an honor with the people that are here today.
Rounding out third was Tori Trupiano of Dominic's Italian Restaurant in Oceanside, California, with a wood-fired pizza boasting 3 varieties of house-made sausage and caramelized onions.
You know what? 2 of my favorite ingredients on a pizza, especially if you know how to make sausage and you make good sausage, that's going to be a winner on a pizza anytime. Going to take what I learned here today to make me a better pizzaiolo, and my eye is on that first place trophy.
To follow all the action and activities of the United States Pizza Team, subscribe to PMQ Pizza Magazine, visit pmq.com, follow the United States Pizza Team on social media, follow the hashtag PizzaGold, and visit uspizzateam.com.